have this much gum, and we're gonna eat it all in one sitting with my boy Delina. God, he's autistic. Okay. Put my jerseys. Time to eat some gum.
I only have 2 packs.
He only has 2 packs. I have 15. Let's see how many pieces and how big of a bubble I can blow compared to him.
I think I can still do better.
I'm gonna get cancer and die from this. Ah, it tastes bad. Oh, it's just like mint. Oh, for me. Also, water circle.
How much do you have in your mouth?
Oh, it's awful.
Milo, bro.
Oh my god.
You're disgusting.
What do I look like?
You are disgusting. You have to chew it more.
How many gum wrappers?
Don't bite the balls, Milo.
He's looking.
I'm his owner, so he don't bite mine.
Yeah.
Look at how juicy those look.
Damn.
Alright, try and blow. Child abuse.
I swallowed my gum. That's just spicy.
Alright, you record me. You cannot blow no bubble.
No, not with this one. Tongue in my mouth.
Alright, ready? Alright. Hold on.
Do the primal voice.
Yeah, go get him, Milo. He touched me. Go get him. Oh, that's my deodorant.
I need some of those.
Alright, ready? Alright, record me.
Look at my new grill. Weak ass bubble.
I only have 2 packs. I mean, barely got any chewing.